Everyone wants to buy a new Barbie. What is she like? When it's my turn? Yes, I bought it. But there are more important things than toys. We are raising money for pets. Do you want to donate? I'm not sure. Look at my new Barbie. I gotta go. Oh no, my piggy bank. Why? Poor Cindy has been saving money for the doll for a long time. Please, no! What a weird girl move, boy! Out of the way! Rich Jasmine doesn't have to wait in line. I'm sorry! It's not my lucky day. How could I be so clumsy? My precious money! Pete, donate money for animals. Sure thing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Poor Cindy needs a lot of time to pick up all her precious coins. That's it. I hope it will be enough. Thank you. Bye. Good day. What's that? No, I want a new Barbie too. Sorry, they are sold out. Maybe next time. But I dreamed about this doll. I saved money from lunch. Here you go. Don't cry. It's for me. Take this. It's a present. Wow, I got a doll and saved money. I want to open it now. Barbie challenge? What? Yay! I'm a Barbie now! My Barbie is so beautiful! I want to become her! Pete, come here! I want to look like my doll! Gotcha! I'll find the best stylist! I can't wait for the makeover! I will look as gorgeous as you! Oh, are you back already? Please, come in! Hello! I would like you to recreate this look of my doll. Can you do that? Let's see. A whole team of stylists is doing a makeover of the rich Jasmine. This will work. We're ready. Pete, take my Barbie. Let's start with makeup. Your skin looks perfect. I'll add some highlighter. Let's make your eyes look bigger. Perfect! Thanks! You did amazing! Shall we try on the dress? Wow! These shoes are like Cinderella's. Try on! They are so sparkly. Oh, is this a crown for me? It looks nothing like this one. Change it. A moment. Do the shoes fit? Yeah, it's perfect. Maybe this one is better? Yes, it looks exactly like Barbie's. Try it on. I'll help you lace up the corset. Okay. Oh, make it tighter. Are you sure? Yes, continue. I want the dress to flatter my figure. Come on. All right. Oh, no. No, I messed up my makeup. Pete, call the stylist. Now! My poor head! What happened here? A little accident. My doll should look rich. Do you like your new tan, my girl? I like your flowy dress. I want something like that, too. Oh, I have an idea. Now we look alike. But this dress doesn't look so good on me. What if I try making a dress out of the box? I've always dreamed of being a clothing designer. Let's see what we got. Do I look like a doll? No, I don't. I will change back. You can't go wrong with a little black dress. Ah, I can't choose. It's not that bad. I really do look like Barbie. Cindy Cindy should have thought about the weather when choosing a dress. It's all your fault! How can you stay pretty no matter what? My outfit is completely ruined, and I have to redo my makeup. It's so difficult to fit the standards of beauty. I should have chosen your dress. It looks so trendy. And I don't even need a raincoat. Yes, let's go on a date. Oh, a message. Yes, I need Ken. I will help Jasmine find love. Are you ready? Come in. So, this man can be my Ken. Is he gold digging in his nose? You didn't even give him a chance. Take him away. Thank you for coming. This bow tie is a nightmare. See you, man. Next. I need to relax. Introduce yourself. Hello. Pete, he can't even tie his tie. You are so picky. You will be left with nothing. No, wait. You can have it. It's your turn. I am so angry. Oh, do you like him? Nice to meet you. You too. He's barefoot. Did he lose his shoes on the way here? We can lend him a pair. Fine. I got it. Give him a chance. Who's next? No more candidates? He was the last one. All right. Wait a minute. Ken looks a lot like my butler. It might work. What is she up to? Rich Barbie Jasmine needs her Ken. Here you go. Thanks. Poor Cindy is casting Ken herself. I don't have time. Fine. I'm looking for Ken. Oh. Hi. Can you be my Ken? Sorry, I can't. Are you sure? I have to say no. To the beauty like me? I'm sorry. What took you so long? Come on. He's taken. She stole my Ken. Maybe I can look for him here? Oh, I can help you. No thanks, I'm good. How could you? Traitor! I don't want to see you anymore. Are you sure you don't need help? Oh, a suit. Let's see how it looks on him. Ta-da! How do I look? Like a homeless guy in a suit. It fits well. Your pretty face won't change my mind. Stay here. Great, he's mine now. What a handsome face. I am so lucky. What about me? I found my Ken. Well, I got a nice costume. I will become like you. Oh, hello. What can I offer you? Maybe an exercise bike? It's a good one. You see, my Barbie is not very flexible. I need something simple. I know what we can do. The Barbie doll has a special workout. You're doing great. Continue. I didn't know sports can be so boring. Breathe. One more time. Well done. You come up with a great idea of how to keep legs straight. Yeah. Goodbye. See you. What? Oh, hello. What are you doing? I want to lift it. Can you give me a try? Oops, it was too heavy. I will fix you. Don't worry. Let's have fun, guys. It's Barbie Party. Good job. Everyone's dancing. Hello. Hey, you look amazing. Do you like the party? DJ is cool. Rich Jasmine fits perfectly for the role of a popular doll. What a mess. What is she wearing? Hi, guys. Welcome. This is my date, Ken. Ken? What? He's not even real. Please, be polite. She's a bit weird. What a nice dress. It's made from recycled material. Really? Pete, look! It's an eco dress. That's cool. Will you dance with me? Sure. It looks like the girls are enjoying their time as Barbie. Although, it's not always comfortable. Which girl did you like better as a Barbie? Cindy, we completed the challenge! Congrats! We made it! Yay! What's up? The Barbie challenge is completed! What a relief! Why is she looking at me? Do you want to dance with me? No way! Did you like our video? Then give it the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you!